Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to do no cost EMI deal on Jio Tab. First, click on the search button, search for the product. After searching the product, here you have to enter the PIN code of the buyer. Then click on add to cart. The product will reflect in your cart. Click on the cart button. Here you have to enter the number registered on your JioMart. Then click on secure checkout. After that you will receive the OTP on your mobile. Here you have to select the address of the buyer. Then click on secure checkout. After that this interface will reflect. You have to click on the send payment link. In some time you will receive the link of the payment in your SMS. Click on the payment link. Then tap on pay now. After that you have to choose bank offer option. Here all the bank credit card name will reflect on which offers are available. Choose the bank credit card mentioned in the Jio app. Then there will be two options. Here you have to select EMI option and then select the card on which deal is available. And this is how you can place order on no cost EMI on Jio Tab.